And who's this, Marley?
Romeo.
Romeo.
Romeo!
Oh, Romeo. What does Romeo do?
He says, drive the step.
Oh, he's going to go in here, is he?
Yes, he is!
Oh, that's a bit loud. Okay, so what are we going to do now, Marley?
Ow!
Whoa.
Yes, to one more.
Okay, so what's Romeo going to do?
He's going to choose this dog.
I don't think it's a gup. Okay, so we'll close it up. He's going for a drive. There we go.
Oh, no. Someone don't win.
Who's going in there?
That's you, dog.
Oh, this.
No, that.
This one?
Yeah. Who's that?
It looks like Romeo's joined forces with Gecko Boy. So you pop Gecko Boy in.
Gecko? You mean Gecko win?
Gecko. There we go.
Ta-da!
So where are we going now? Where's Romeo taking Gecko Boy?
He's gone. Oh no, Romeo fell in.
Oh, Romeo fell in. What are we going to do, Marlene? Who's going to save the day?
Catboy.
Catboy. Here comes Catboy. How's Catboy going to save the day? Here we go. What's Catboy? Catboy can fly. Oh, he's saving Romeo. There we go. Romeo's safe. Now Catboy is going to save. Oh no! It's only Romeo that was in trouble by the looks of this.
Catboy's top on here.
Catboy's on top.
He has got a broken wheel.
He's got a broken wheel?
Yeah.
What are we going to do now? How are we going to save the broken wheel?
That's the emergency button.
Oh, where's the emergency? Oh no! What happened?
Catboy fell down.
Who can save Catboy? Marley, who can save Catboy?
This is not going to save it.
Oh, Romeo's going to save Catboy with his giant claw.
Oh, I can't reach.
He can't reach.
Romeo can't reach.
Maybe Owlette can save Catboy. What do you think?
I'm coming down, Catboy.
Owlette's going to be on the claw.
Oh no, he can't grab it.
He can't reach. Maybe we need... Maybe we need a second Owlette. Here comes another Owlette.
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Oh no, it can't reach.
Can Owlette fly down? Oh, Romeo fell out.
Oh no, it can't reach.
Maybe Owlette can just fly down.
No, it can't reach. He's busy.
Oh, Owlette's too busy to save the day today. That's alright, Owlette can stay there. And how are we going to get Catboy?
Maybe the robot can help.
A robot? Which robot? Oh, this robot.
Yes. He has
it a drone?
giant hands.
He's got giant hands, does he?
Yeah.
Oh, the robot's going down to save Catboy. Here we go.
That's John's hands.
Whoa, what a cool robot. There we go. Catboy's saved.